Love the guitar already. Ooh, the bass. Yeah, boy. Hi Snakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back. I'm back again today with another ONEWE reaction for you guys. I know it's been a long time since I reacted to them, but I'm here today to react to their newest release, the MV, which is called Rain to Be. I believe that they're also releasing their first ever full album. However, I will not be doing a first listen for that today. Maybe in the future, we shall see. And yeah, I'm super excited. Let's just go. Okay guys, quick disclaimer before we start. I do not like to react with captions on because I find captions distracting. I like to concentrate on the music production is what I like to comment on the most. And when I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm not concentrating on the sounds or their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV. I will read the lyrics later in my own time. Let's go. ONEWE, Rain to Be MV. Let's go. Love the guitar already. The bass.
말없는 하늘을 올려다보면서 두 손 모아 내 신호를 보내 널 본다면 보게 된다면 마른 이 땅에 꽃을 피우리 태풍이 불기 전에 고요한 침묵을 깨며 속삭여 결국 이곳을 가득 채운 널 찾아 비가 떨어진 내 창밖을 보는데 김이는 날 기다리며
I love how it picks up. I love that.
네가 보고 싶은 날에는 항상 이곳을 적셨는데 당신은 곧 새벽길 한복판 매일 날 위해 열어두잖아 옷깃 사이로 흘러든 빗물은 추억을 담은 채로 쓰며 너를 만나는 날은 언제나
The strumming that just came in. I love the constant beat switch up.
힘이 이곳을 가득 채운 널 만나 비가 떨어진 내 창밖을 보는데
That tempo keeps surprising me. Vocals. Again, that beat switch up, the tempo. Oh, and I love that. Oh, it went higher.
너가 보고 싶은 날에는 비가 내리길 더 기다려 비록 짧은
the echoing reverb, the bass. Ooh, the electric guitar! Oh yes, guitar solo! His tone, I think he's my favourite vocalist. Ooh, that break. Man, they're drowning! They're drowning in the rain! Ooh, can you hear that echoey, reverby sound? Ooh, Rain to Be. I like that. That was really, really nice. It had like a really dark sort of undertone to it. And the MV as well, I really, 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 really love the constant like beat switch ups. There were a lot of beat switch ups, and the tempo in like the chorus, and then just after the chorus, like that na 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 na, na, that part, I don't know why, but the tempo surprised me because it's quite an upbeat tempo, yet the song was quite sort of dark sounding. I absolutely love the guitar all throughout that riff. And then it switched up. There was like different types of guitar. So you had that plucky guitar that came in at the start. Then you had the strumming in the same sort of riff, and then you had the guitar solo, which also included that that riff, which I really, really liked. There was really, really nice melodies as well. I've said it before, but I think I couldn't really recognize them all that well in this. I don't know why. But the pianist, the guy who plays the piano, or is it not? I think I've mentioned before, I really, really like his tone. It's like a softer, more nasally tone. I think he's the one that really dresses really cool as well. I'm not sure. I'm sorry, guys. I can't remember, but they all have really, 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 really good vocals. The visuals were really, really nice as well. The way the water kept rising, and it just had that sort of darker theme to it. I'm interested to see what the lyrics are. Yeah. That's it, guys. I really, really enjoyed that. I'm not sure when I will be reacting to them again. I'm just reacting to so many groups right now. However, ONEWE are definitely a group I definitely want to dive deeper into. I just don't have the time right now. However, at some stage I will do. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Gonna follow me on Instagram, guys. Gonna follow me on Twitter. And yeah.